Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Capcut AI video generator. First, you have to simply search for Capcut AI video maker and then you will be onto this page. You just have to simply sign up with your account. On this page, you can see there are four main categories to edit the videos, but these are linked through each other. I'm gonna show you how. First, I'll start with one of them and we'll go and explore all of these. I'm going with a brainstorming with AI. This is actually a tool which gives you ideas to generate videos. You just have to simply give your idea and you can also add keywords like what exactly you want to create video on, and after that it will give you some suggestions and ideas based on what you have answer given to it. So it will give you five of these ideas. If you like any one of these, you can just simply click onto it and it will create further some categories within it. And then you get the further more ideas. If you like any of these, click on this pin icon and click on generate script, and after that choose how long you want the duration, and if you have any other keywords or specific things you need into that script, you can mention here and then click on to generate. Then after that it will create a script. Now if you want to create video based on this script and voiceover, then this is possible. You can create both video and voiceover, even a talking avatar based on this script. If you want to do any changes, you can just simply do at the moment. If you want to create a video, then what you have to do is you can see this icon, you have to click onto it, and after that you have to click on generate AI video. Then after that it will take some time and generate a video. Then you have to repeat the process for every script. After that, once the video gets created, now it's time to get the voiceover. So you can either get the voiceover like the AI voice, or you can also get the talking avatar. It's up to you. You can select whatever option you would like to. You can go to both as per your need. So whatever option you select, you just have to simply click on to apply to all, and after that the voiceover or the avatar will be created. And after that you will see the voiceover and the video will be created based on a script that it has generated on your idea. Now you can export these clips into one video and can use it wherever you would like to. As I said earlier that these options are related to each other, so I'll show you that first it brainstorm a video, then you can create the instant AI video with it, you can create the avatar with it, and you can also match your script with the video. Everything is done through AI. So that's how you can use CapCut AI video maker. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.